Hello, and welcome back to Seven Figure Rebel, where I help you to blaze a trail to financial freedom. I'm Cindy. If you're passionate about photography, design, or simply want to make some extra income, this video is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's jump right in. Did you know that some people on Etsy are making $4,000 per month and more by creating and selling these easy-to-make digital products? What are they? Digital photo backdrops. But these aren't just any digital backdrops. Nope. These stunning backdrops are created with AI. Midjourney, to be exact. So, what are digital photo backdrops? These are high-resolution images that photographers or designers use as backgrounds in their work, giving their photos a professional and unique touch. With the rise of online businesses and social media, the demand for eye-catching visuals is higher than ever, making digital photo backdrops a popular and profitable product to sell on platforms like Etsy. Now, let's talk about Midjourney. It's a fantastic web-based design tool that allows you to create stunning digital backdrops with ease. To get started, head over to midjourney.com and sign up for a free account. With your account set up, let's create our first digital photo backdrop. To get started in this niche, I just created and put my first set featuring pink angel wings on Etsy a few days ago. I headed over to Midjourney, and after some trial and error, I came up with this prompt. An image of angel wings in front of flowers in the style of photorealistic rendering, light pink, carom beige, imitated material, mysterious backdrops, pure affinity, very well lit from all angles, some shadows, key light camera right, our 1620 Q2, up beta, V5. Here are a few of the images that Midjourney produced for me. Pretty cool, huh? Once I had some good backdrops, I needed a model to see what it would look like as a finished portrait. Not having a real-life model wasn't a problem because Midjourney created some for me. I used this prompt: isolated photorealistic full-body female model facing the camera wearing a pink tulle dress, dramatic, our 1620, Q2, up beta, V5. And here is just one of the results. Not bad. To put the two images together, I simply used Canva. I removed the background on the model's photo and placed her on top of the angel wings to make my demo image. Then I saved the backdrops by themselves as high-resolution PNG files. I ran them through Topaz Gigapixel AI to make them as high-res as possible. Now, with your digital backdrops ready, it's time to prepare them for sale on Etsy. Create mockups. Use a photo editing software to create realistic mockups of your backdrops in use. This will help potential customers visualize how your product will look in their projects. Optimize your files. Compress your digital backdrops without losing quality, making them easier for customers to download. These won't be able to be hosted on Etsy because of the file size, so you'll need to use another service to host them. I use Sendowl. Write detailed descriptions. Describe your digital backdrops accurately, including the dimensions, resolution, and file formats. Mention any usage restrictions if applicable. And that's it. Decide on your pricing by checking out other digital backdrops on Etsy and price yours competitively. These are tons of fun to create. Here are a few more that I did. You are only limited by your imagination. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more content like this. See you next time.